In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check website traffic in Semrush. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable process so you can quickly understand how much traffic a website is getting and how that traffic changes over time. I'll also share a few tips to help you interpret what you see. First, once you're in your Semrush dashboard, head to the main navigation. Open the SEO section on the left-hand side and choose Domain Overview. This area is your starting point for getting a high-level snapshot of any site's visibility and traffic estimates. Next, enter the website you want to research. Type the domain into the search bar. Use the main domain without extra paths for the broadest view, and click Search. You can do this for your own site, a competitor's site, or any domain you're curious about. If you're analyzing a subdomain or a specific country, adjust those settings before you run the search so the results match your scope. When the overview loads, focus on the traffic metrics. Look for organic traffic to see the total estimated monthly visitors arriving from search engines without paid ads. This reflects how well the site ranks for keywords and how much search demand there is. Then, check paid traffic, which shows visitors driven by advertising, if any. A higher paid number typically indicates active ad campaigns, while a low or zero figure suggests the site relies mainly on organic search. Now, scroll down to the traffic graph. This timeline is where the story becomes clearer. Scan for rises and dips month by month to spot growth trends, plateaus, or declines. Sustained upward movement could reflect strong content, better rankings, or a larger marketing push. Sudden spikes might align with a product launch, a viral piece of content, or seasonal interest. Likewise, drops can signal algorithm updates, reduced publishing cadence, or waning demand. If you work across multiple markets, consider switching locations or devices to see whether a trend is consistent globally or only within certain regions. A quick but important reminder: all traffic figures in Semrush are estimates based on data models. They're great for direction, comparisons, and patterns. But they won't match a site's private analytics exactly. Use them as a benchmark, not a precise count, and verify critical insights with first-party data when you can. And that's it. You've learned how to check website traffic in Semrush, interpret the key metrics, and read the trend line with confidence. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any part while you analyze your own sites. Thanks for watching.